Hi everyone, my name is Lexa, I am the Rico Cupcake, and today I am drawing the chickens from Stardew Valley. So I've spent about, 150 hours total playing this game. I absolutely adore it. I find the chickens to be one of the most adorable animals in the game, followed by the slimes. Like, I know they're not technically an animal, they're a monster, but I really like having a slime hutch. I think it's pretty great. So I started off drawing it in Manga Studio, but then I wasn't really liking how my lines were going. So I switched over to Photoshop and tried to use the pen tool to do the lines. But I ended up not really liking the way this looked either, so I ended up scrapping it. I maybe should have cut it out, but might as well just show my process, right? So these chickens were used to make buttons. So I really wanted them to be very simple because they are quite small. It's a 1 1/4 sized button. So it's pretty tiny, and if you put too much detail into something so small, it just gets so muddy. So I really wanted to make sure the design was as simple as possible. So here I am going in, redrawing the lines. Once again, it's a common theme in my art to just redraw the lines over and over and over again, and maybe that's annoying. I think it's annoying when I edit, but what can you do? It's just how I work. I like sort of the more natural flow of hand-drawn lines as opposed to using the pen tool, so I think that's why I switched back to it. So I did have the actual sprites in another window that I was eyedroppering from to get the colors correct. Yeah, so here I am just quickly adding in the shading. Like, again, I just wanted it to be as simple as possible. Nothing too heavy for the buttons. So there are 4 different chicken types in Stardew Valley, so I just quickly went in and edited my final white chicken to look like the rest of the chickens. Like, I think redrawing it 4 times would have been kind of redundant, so I just edited them, which is a definite time saver. The void chicken is really cute, huh? But I mean, nothing beats the blue chicken. The blue chicken has that fancy swooshy tail and is super cute. Everyone loves the blue chickens, okay? They don't make any sense, but so what? They're adorable. I added the white stroke around each one to sort of pop the chicken away from the gradient background on the button. And there all 4 of them are. Aren't they cute? It didn't take me too long to do them at all. Alright, that's everything I have for you. I'll talk to you all later.